little learners. Welcome back to our phonics class. Today, we will learn what are alphabets, what are letters, big letters and small letters, and their sounds. Are you ready? Let's start. What are alphabets? Alphabets are the complete set of letters from A to Z in English. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Repeat after me. A to Z, 26 letters. Great job! What are letters? Each alphabet is called a letter. Example: A is a letter. B is a letter. C is a letter. So, alphabets are all letters together. Letter names and sounds. Every letter has two forms. One, big letter. A big letter is also called capital letter, uppercase letter. Big letters tell us the name of the letter. Example: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Small letter. A small letter is also called lowercase letter. Small letters help us learn the sound. Example: A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's practice A to Z names and sounds. Listen and repeat after me. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, O, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Qu, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Amazing! Quiz time! How many letters are in the alphabet? Is A a letter or alphabet? Which one is the big letter? B or B? What sound does C make? Which one is uppercase letter? Which one is lowercase letter? What sound does P make? What sound does S make? What sound does F make? Great job, little learners! Today we learned alphabets, letters, big and small letters, sounds. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye!